Okay, let's get started with writing our first SQL statement. Make sure you have selected the right schema. Double click on it. Click on New Query if the query window is already not there. And this is where we will write the queries and see the results. Our first query is to get all the records of all the actors in our actor table. So we want to see who all actors are in our actor table. The statement to do that is select. Select, that means we're trying to select the records. Star basically means all the columns. So select star from, where do you want this to come from? Select star from actor. We want to see a list of all the actors. As you're typing, MySQL will give you hints about what you can choose from. So in this case, it says table in view, which matches what you're typing. Select star from actor table is what we want. Leave it there and click on the execute icon. This is lightning flash is an execute icon, which will go ahead and execute the statement that you have just written. Here are all the actors that are in your database and all the columns are listed. What if you only want to see the first name of all the actors? In that scenario, go ahead and write another statement. Select. Instead of star, we just need the first name. So go ahead and type the first name, which is the column name. First name, the column name, from which table do you want it from? From actor. Select this statement. If you do not select it, then it's going to try to execute both of them. But we just want first name from actor. Go ahead and select it and execute. Now you have a list of first name of all the actors from your actor table. This is your first SQL statement. Go ahead and play writing these kind of statements with other tables like customers, which we'll end up using, film category, etc. So you can see what's in those tables, as well as you can get familiar with writing SQL.